Hi, this is Eddington here. Today I just thought I'd take time to explain and break down the marketing system that I use to generate leads. Most people don't seem to quite understand this concept. We call it list building, so I thought I'd take some time to explain that. And here, as you see, I am on on the marketing system that I'm talking about, which is called Power Lead System. It's been around. It's not a brand new thing, and if you're looking for some shiny object, then this video may not be for you. But if you are looking for a marketing system that works to help you to generate leads, to build your list, which is the best way to build any business, then you will benefit quite a lot from what I'm going to share with you here. I'm just going to log in here to my back office, where I will be taking you through most of the stuff that happens inside here. Now, list building requires you to at least have a squeeze page, which is something like this here, a place where you send people or prospects, if you like, so that they can give you their email address and their name, so that you can then send them some more information and keep in touch with them, so that you can build relationship with them and tell them more about what you do, about your business. So this system here is actually sort of a business in a box in itself. It's a marketing system that you can use to promote any network marketing business, or any business if you like, because all you will be doing is putting your website in front of the right people, in front of a targeted audience. And I think in the next video, that's when I'll be explaining how you get people to these pages, what we call traffic, to drive traffic. When people come to your website on the internet, we call that traffic. So the very system here will assist you in achieving that. It will help you to build an unlimited quantity of these lead capture pages that I've just shown you. You can have them. I'll be showing you different variations of these. This was not supposed to be like this, but I'll have to change it back to what it was. But that's fine, not to worry. This is just one of them. Yeah, so you can also have some video squeeze pages. Let me see if I can pull one up here. If this one has got, yep. So this one would be,
you're about to discuss
what we call a video squeeze page. Again, that's the same thing, but just built differently. But it has got the capacity of giving people a lot more information about the business, so that they can make an informed decision before signing up. Yeah, so with that said, I'll go back here. You also have the opportunity to build what we call sales pages, again, where you will explain in greater detail the benefits of your product and what you would want people to understand about your services or products, and what you want them to do after that. You can actually incorporate things like a payment button, say a PayPal or whatever payment merchant you may be using. Fantastic features. You've got a fully featured online editor, like what we call what you see is what you get. WYSIWYG, an HTML editor that can help you to create some pages. You don't actually have to do that. That's optional. That's for a bit more advanced marketers or a bit more advanced tech savvy people. It's got some graphics built in, so you don't have to worry about graphics. And all these services are fully hosted, so you don't have to worry again about uploading files or downloading files, or there is no need for server hosting. You won't need that. You won't need file transfer protocol skills. You don't even need a webmaster or a programmer, if you like. Now, I mentioned building relationships with people, the prospects that will be signing up on your squeeze page or lead capture page, if you like. That page, as you see here, when a person comes here, they read this, you need to understand a bit more about copy, but we won't be talking about that now. But this is very important when you want to get people to sign up. This should be well written, but we will be talking about this in the maybe preceding videos. So when a person comes here, what do you want them to do is to sign up. So suppose they want to, they select whatever the amount they would want to be earning in a month on a monthly basis. Say they want to earn £2,500 to 4,999. They select that, and they will then have to enter their details here, their information, first name, email address, and their telephone number. Telephone number is optional, so that you can send them whatever you want to send them, the information, or maybe you've got some freebie you want to send them, like an ebook or whatever. So this is an email form here that you would want to integrate onto the web page that I've just shown you, the lead capture page. Then people will be taken into your what we call an email marketing system, which is has got an AutoResponder. It's a system that sends out messages automatically to your prospects. Right, so Power Lead system comes with that. It comes with that AutoResponder system inbuilt. You don't have to worry about that again. Otherwise, it would have been a separate expense, an additional cost if you are going to use them separately, because they are other providers. It depends. There are other email marketing system, the AutoResponder providers. So this now has been built into one. That's why I said it's kind of a business in a box, because you could actually just basically use this one alone without even any network marketing business, and still make money out of this should you choose. But you can also just use it as a student, as a customer, if you like. You don't have to sell it, though there are different options that I'll be walking you through in a minute. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, yeah, for the still on the AutoResponder, on the email marketing system, that will need to have some emails in them that will then be set to go out at regular intervals. You can make them go out as many times as you want in a day, or you can spread them across the week, the month, or even a year. So you set it and you don't even have to touch it. It does all the selling for you, even whilst you're sleeping, because it's a system. We have got a saying that says systems work, but people do fail. These ones, once they are set, they are set. You may have problems with your computer You don't have to worry about this. This is taken care by what happens behind the scenes is taken care of by Power Lead system. Otherwise, it can be costly if you are to do it yourself, but you don't have to worry about that. So that's the beauty of this business. So you can be a student and just use it just to learn the marketing strategies and to use it to build relationships with your prospects, or you can choose to become an affiliate, and then you can refer it to other people who may wish to use it as an affiliate program, or no, just customers even, and you get paid for that. But we will go into that later. We spoke about videos. Yeah, I think that's basically it. So I will now walk you through the features so that you know what you get with this system. Once you sign up on a squeeze page like this one, then you'll be given your credentials to this area here, which we call the back office, where you will get all the tutorials that will walk you through on how to use the system. There are some video tutorials, a lot of video tutorials, short video tutorials that will walk you through. So you will say, come on over here to the getting started, which is where we are, and just follow the instructions on these buttons here, and you click on here. As you can see, that's the getting started in 3 simple steps. You got to watch this video here that will just explain what you need to do on this particular page. That will give you your referral links, referral link A and referral link B. Referral link B is the one that you would use if you want to promote you've got your primary business, which is where your network marketing business comes into play. You can then put the link in here. In fact, I need to change this one myself. It doesn't have to be this one. So I'll have to find a link which I can put in here and update it. So once you update it, then you will get this final link here. And what this now does is when you promote this one, excuse me, with referral link B, it will now allow you to, it has got an inbuilt autoresponder like I've mentioned, which then will insert this URL here, this web address here in the emails, so that you can now promote your network marketing business. So that's how powerful this is, guys. We've got these 2 buttons here. Which takes you through the system. It gives you a tour of the system. You just need to click in here, click there, and the video pops up, and it will explain
you a tour of
what
your
all
marketing
these
system
buttons
and
here,
the training area.
buttons here are
Notice
for.
you've got these headers up here along with.
I'll close it. And this one here also, the video will pop up that will
In this
walk you
video,
through
you're going to learn some
how
different
you
ways that you can
market
market your
it.
link.
And the beauty, guys, is we also got a Facebook group, then which you will be required to join. That's the first step you will need to do. Once you become a member, you'll get to join our Facebook group, which is this one here. As you can see, it's still growing at 35,000 members, 35,747, which is close to 36,000, guys. And if you thought this is a scam, or you don't understand anything about it, you know, for goodness, just try, come in and see. This is where you will find all these people here. They're just like you and me, ordinary folks doing extraordinary things. You can come in here, ask, speak to other people, find out how it works, because if you remember, we've got a free trial. You can try this system for 7 days. That gives you that sneak peek so that you can go inside the back office and have a look at all this and try to have some understanding if you never heard. Speak to people once you join the Facebook group in here. Otherwise, you can't join this group. Otherwise you're not, you won't be approved from just nowhere. You probably even would not know about it if I had not mentioned it. So it's not just something you can join from nowhere. You have to be a member. So that's how powerful it is. So as you can see, these are all people posting here. Some people ask questions, some people show their results in here. Some people just share their tips, on what they are doing. So you are never short of support. We all work as a team. Everybody is helpful. We help each other out, and there is a lot of help as well in the back office here. So I will take you back to the back office where we were here at first. These buttons here, they will be explained. Again, if you have got an outside domain name, suppose you have got a blog, this first button here, you want to complete all these. That's where you will put your domain name. Again, I'll explain further, but that will take me the whole day to try and explain that. But yeah, basically this is where you will come. I'll just quickly show you, and you insert your domain name here, for your blog. We even have a blog builder now, which is called Power Blog, which I'll show you again in a minute. So here you can come, or you can, if you haven't got a domain name, you can purchase one here. All these are the instructions. Just makes it easier for access to create unlimited blogs. Much easier for prospects to remember. Much more likely for your emails to be delivered if you use this domain here. Okay, so I'll come back here again, and then here is where you need to complete your information, affiliate information, so that you can get paid. You need to put your details in there. I'll just take you quickly there as well. Let me show you quite quickly. Yeah, so but anyway, this is all built. This is where you will choose your landing page. Again, on top here you will find a video tutorial that shows you how to use this
In this video,
place where we are
I'm going
at
to
here.
show you how to set up and attach.
So I'll just close that. So everything is laid out in a way that is very simple to understand. So here you will choose your landing page. From your landing page, then you can attach your squeeze page to your sales page. All that is explained here, guys. So at the top here, you see you can, what we call, these are different lead capture pages or squeeze pages, if you like, which have been created by other expert marketers out there, and they want to share them with the community here, and by way of what we call share codes. Again, I know maybe this might not make sense to you, obviously, if you are new to this, but you don't have to worry about that. Everything is learnable, just as we learned how to, a child learns how to walk, how to speak, how we learn how to drive, how to cycle, how to swim. It's just like anything like that. This is even simpler. So there is nothing to be scared of, really. So here, these are all lead capture pages that you can choose. You can choose from. And as you go down, there are a variety of them. You can use, there are numerous ones. Here we've got the capture pages with a viral report. And we've got also this program called Lead Lightning, which is built in there. Wow, but that's a different class on Lead Lightning. I think I would need to do a separate video for this. But you can use them with the system. Then from there, if you want to bypass the lead capture pages and you just want to use a sales page, this is where you will find the sales pages. I'll just show you an example of a sales page here. It comes also with a video that explains briefly what this is about. And then it has got content, sales copy that explains, well, might as well give you a bit more information on the Lead Lightning. Like I was saying, this one, you can actually purchase just this one for $7, one time for life, and it still allows you to market your network marketing business and gives you all the training that I'll be showing you. And if you refer this one, you get paid a commission of $6 for each person who chooses to use it, which I think is fantastic. But why not just go gold and earn more commissions and have more features? So these are just some testimonials, people who have used the system. These are all big marketers. Jeff Gardner, if you know these ones. Yeah, so that's a lead capture page right there, guys. So these are all the features. Now let's have a little look at what else it can do. These are lead capture pages which you create yourself if you've got the ability to do so. And here you'll get lead capture pages that are already created by Power Lead system. And here has got some floating capture pages that they do different things. You will need to understand. You need to get in to understand. And the email autoresponder, the email system I was talking about here, this is where you will find it. We even have got some e-cards, some virtual postcards. We've got some marketing messages there. This is where you manage your websites. Here you can actually copy any of these and change them to edit the text and make it say what you want to say according to your own program. Here you can create web pages. My share code. I'll just go over to my share codes here quickly. This is where you put your share code. This is what we call a share code. So you get these ones. Let me see if I can just show you what it looks like. So this is where you get the share codes. You get share codes for capture pages, for lead capture pages, and there they are. So you just choose any lead capture page you may want, which would be in here, and select the share code. That's the one you now then come and insert here where it says share codes, and you insert it here, click submit, then it will appear here, and ultimately it would be on your selection of landing pages here. That's what appears at the top here. Like for example, this one here, it was a share code that was used, so that gives you something like this. You can create these pages with a timer. Suppose you want to announce a launch. Hey, my neighbor's dog is barking. I hope it's not coming through the mic here. I beg your pardon for that. But yeah, so you can create pages like this. if you are launching a product, a service, you can actually time it and let people know the date that it would be going live, or the date that would be launched. So that's it, guys. Back again. So we will talk about promoting the system, promoting those links that I showed you first, referral link A, referral link B, or even these ones here. This is where you get you can have any number of domain names put in here. So all you'll do is you'll come here, select which one you want to promote, and then come over here where you want to start generating traffic. So we've got all sorts of ways to generate traffic. Here you'll get some text links, which are these ones here. It just got a one-liner that gives you some to put especially for social media, and they've even got a temporary URL, a temporary domain name that you can use but branded to you. You've got even emails that are written for you. Should you want to use your own autoresponder, just come here, email swipe, take emails, take what you want. So it's all done for you guys. Like I said again, you don't have to use it as an affiliate. You don't have to sell it to anyone. You can just learn it for your own knowledge. To use it for, whether it's for your work where you work, or your small business, or your network marketing program, or what have you. So that's how powerful this is. We've got some print resources, we'll give you some newspapers, even if you want to advertise in newspapers and online newspapers. I mentioned also the power blog, where you can actually create your own blogs, an unlimited amount of blogs. So powerful. You just come here, and follow watch this video here, and it will give you instructions. One thing I didn't mention was also social media. You've got a space where you can insert your social media links so that they can appear on your landing pages. So powerful, so powerful, right? So, and here now we've got the contact manager, where you will have, when you capture those emails, this is where they will come, they will be stored, and they are here, and that's how you're going to be able to manage them. You can search for contacts, you can email the viewers here, you can even add emails manually, and here you can export the emails. All sorts of tools, all sorts of things here. Another instructional video on how you use this section. So I'm running out of time, guys. I'm not gonna keep you for too long here, but I think this has given you a rough idea of what you can expect in this system. Maybe it gives you a bit more understanding of what this is all about. There's so much to cover. There's so much you can do with this system, guys. You just need to tap into it. There's no reason why you shouldn't. It's not expensive. And here we've got the training area, which is built on a sort of a different site. We have to come here and log in here. So you see it takes you to it opens the next tab there, where I'll have to log in. It's on a different site, different platform. Now this is another beauty. Every Wednesday there is training that is delivered that you can share with your prospects on how to do this, if you are going to just be sharing the Power Lead system. So all these are videos that will give you training that's done through a Hangout, a YouTube Hangout. It's amazing, and all this is training, guys. replays here will show you where you can get that. And marketing, this is all marketing training, where to get traffic, you learn about solo advertising here. So powerful. And these are still more videos to show you how to use the system effectively. So it's just plugging in and making sure you watch these videos. That's all you do. We've got some daily tips here. So you cannot fail. I mean, if you are prepared to put in the work, and when I say to put in the work, I mean watching these videos and just following instructions and applying what they teach you. With no time, you would be earning. People are earning, they are earning fortunes with these guys. I really encourage you to take a leap of faith and, get to do this. And if you are a Christian and God has been speaking to you all these years, you know, He's putting me in your path. I hope, and I really hope that you will know that. I'm sure you know how God works, you know how God speaks. So if you have been ignoring His word, and when you know that He has put me in your path, man, then I am really concerned about your belief, your believing. But that's all I can say. And that was one website where you can get training, and we still got yet another platform, the Power VIP. Again, I will have to log in, taken to that Power VIP website, again, where you will come and find more training. So you can't go wrong. I mean, everything you ever need to know about online marketing, if you want to promote your business on social media, if you want to understand about search engine optimization, video marketing, email marketing, Facebook marketing, rebranding, everything, guys, you get it all from the Power Lead system. So I hope this has given you a bit of some insight on what goes on behind the scenes behind these pages that you see me promoting day in, day out, that you are not opting in. It's quite easy to make money online. It's quite easy. It's a business. It's not a get rich quick scheme, or I'm not obsessed of making money. It's like creating a job for yourself. I mean, if you haven't got a job or you need some extra income, there is just, I don't understand. I mean, you need to get your head around this, and get your priorities right. What are you doing online? What are you doing on social media? What are you spending your time doing? Wouldn't you do this so that you can learn how you can earn? The beauty is, you don't have to be anywhere. You can do it from anywhere for as long as you've got access to the internet. That's all you need. Your laptop or computer, tablet. Nowadays, we even got some smartphones. What's stopping you? What's holding you? Forget about whatever it is, get started. I hope this helps, and I really hope you will give it consideration. And when you do, please do not hesitate to get in touch. I'll be more than happy to give you further help on this, so that you can get started. And we've got different God-given talents, God-given gifts. You probably would be even better than me and many others who are online and become creative, and you can run with this thing. Who knows what you will come up with? So yeah, it's just I've run out of time now. I would have wanted to talk a bit more, but I think this has covered quite a bit. I will look forward to hearing from you. I would love to help you. And thank you for watching, and thanks for listening to my video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.